Turning our attention now to the impeachment trial against President Park Geun-hye. It officially kicks off tomorrow, Tuesday that is. Key figures linked to the scandal will be summoned to testify as witnesses. Our Song Ji-sun has a preview of the proceedings into a case that will undoubtedly change Korea's landscape as a whole.
Based on transparent legal procedures acceptable to the public, we will reach a decision in a fair and prompt manner after a thorough assessment of the case.
The Constitutional Court, holding in its hands the fate of the president and the timing of the next presidential election, has vowed to expedite its review, kicking off 2017 with 2 official hearings in the year's first week. With President Park unlikely to appear at the court's first hearing on Tuesday, the actual pleas will be made at the second hearing on Thursday. The president's closest aides, An Bong-geun and Lee Jae-man, and her personal staff, Lee Young-sun and Yoon Jun-chu, will be summoned as witnesses that day, as requested by lawyers for the National Assembly's impeachment committee. Next Tuesday, President Park's former chief policy aide An Jong-bum and her confidant Choi Soon-sil, the woman at the heart of the scandal, will be called to testify. The legal representatives of the president at the National Assembly will argue over the 5 impeachment categories ranging from power abuse and bribery to breach of right to life and dereliction of duty regarding the 2014 Seoul ferry disaster. The Constitutional Court on Monday also sent fact references to 8 organizations linked to the scandal, as requested by the president's lawyer. Ahead of the official hearings, President Park held a surprise meeting with the press on Sunday, again claiming her innocence.
어디를 도와주라 하는 거하고는 제가 정말 확실하게 말씀드리는데 그 누구를 봐줄 생각 이거는 손톱만큼도 없었고 제 머릿속에 아예 그게 없었어요. 그리고
The Constitutional Court said it has no comment on the president's recent remarks to reporters and that all legal proceedings will follow the letter of the law. Song Ji-sun, Arirang News.